Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can disable updates on Windows 10 or Windows 11 permanently. By default, Windows does not allow us to do this. So if I go to settings and I click on Windows Update, as you can see, I can only stop updates for around 5 weeks, but after 5 weeks, the update option will be re-enabled. So what you can do is close this, press your Windows key and type services. Now click on this and here you will see all the available services. Scroll down till you see Windows Update. Right click on this and click on Properties. And here in Startup Type, just click on Disabled and click on Apply. And this will disable your Windows Update service so that you will never receive updates. Now what you can do is go to Recovery and in First Failure, select Take No Action and click Apply. So now as you can see, it is disabled and the current status is running. So you'll have to restart the computer to stop this, or what you can do is just right click on it and click on Stop, and as you can see, Windows Update has been disabled and it is not running. So this is how you can permanently disable Windows Update. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.